morning, everyone. I'm excited to be here with all of you today. My talk is titled Unlearning the Straight Line, Rethinking Success in the Age of AI. And I promise you, it's not as complicated as it sounds. AI, the very word echoes through classrooms, boardrooms, seminars, webinars, and dinner tables alike. The technology that has taken the world by storm. Today, knowingly or unknowingly, every time you watch a recommended movie, shop for trending fashion, scroll through your social feed, or get instant answers for your homework, you are already using AI. Hello, everyone. I'm Manish Parihar, a former banker turned technologist. Today, I help architect AI-powered, cloud-native, intelligent solutions, but most importantly, I help people rethink what's possible with these new technologies. Some use it to write code, others use it for social media, design, or data analysis. Professionals everywhere are embracing it, yet many remain afraid it may one day replace them. But here's the truth. AI is not here to take your place. It is here to amplify your potential. It is a tool, yes, but perhaps the most powerful tool humanity has ever built. A personal assistant, always available, a co-pilot for your ideas, your creations, your experiments, not a rival, but a partner in invention. Let me ask you something. When humanity moved from bullock carts to high-speed trains, did we suddenly find more free time? Or did we simply travel farther, faster, and accomplish more? Because that's what technology does. It doesn't slow life down. It accelerates possibility. Let me share something personal. Before I became a technologist, I spent over 8 years in banking. Back then, there was no AI, no smart assistants, just traditional systems and a very linear career path. On paper, I had everything figured out, a straight line from college to a respectable job in banking and finance. But something inside me kept asking, is this it? So I made a switch. I left banking, learned to code, started building products from scratch, and slowly moved into development, cloud, and AI/ML domains. It wasn't easy, but it taught me that careers don't have to be straight lines. Reinvention is possible. I'll be honest with you. When I left banking, I wasn't fearless. In fact, I was terrified. I had a family to take care of, a career that looked safe on paper, and here I was starting over, staring at blank screens of code I barely understood. Many nights I wondered if I had made a huge mistake. But every small program that finally worked, every bug I fixed at 2 a.m. at night gave me a hope I can't describe. It reminded me that fear and growth often walk together. If I could reinvent myself in that uncertainty, I truly believe each one of you can too. And if that was possible in a pre-AI world, imagine what's possible for you today, when AI can collapse years of learning and execution into weeks. What excites me the most is that across the world, young people are already proving what's possible. High school students, fresh graduates, even small startups, they've been able to take an idea and build a working prototype in just a few weeks. Solutions like using drones and AI to detect crop diseases or harnessing data to tackle water scarcity or creating apps to make the internet a safer place. These were not done by expert coders or seasoned developers. They simply let AI do the heavy lifting while they focused on the problems that mattered. And that's the shift AI brings. It lowers the barrier between imagination and execution. The gap between I wish and I built it has never been smaller. And today, with AI, launching a brand, building a product, creating art, what once took months or entire teams can now be done in weeks, sometimes even days. The question isn't whether AI will do the work. The question is, what will you do with that power? For generations, success was drawn like a straight line. Go to school, study hard, get into college, get a job, climb the ladder. But today, that line is already shattered. With AI, you don't need to wait 10 years to test an idea or build a career. You don't need permission to create. You can learn faster, build faster, fail faster, and rise faster. The path is no longer straight. It's open, dynamic, and yours to design. That's what I mean by unlearning the straight line. Realizing that success in the age of AI isn't about following someone else's map. It's about drawing your own. You may be wondering, where does this leave me? Should I keep learning what schools are teaching? Or will all of it be automated by the time I step into the real world? And here is my honest advice to you. Keep learning the fundamentals. Master the core of your subject, whatever it may be. Because if all you learn is to copy-paste AI answers, you will be the person who builds a rocket and then asks ChatGPT, where is the on button? On the other hand, if you understand the basics, the logic, the craft beneath it, then no tool, no change in technology can ever make you obsolete. And remember this, there's only one thing that AI learns from: human feedback, human correction. AI can give you speed, but only your foundations will give you freedom. So here's my challenge to you. Starting today, pick one problem you care about. It could be something in your school, your community, or even something global that keeps you awake at night. Spend this week learning everything you can about that problem. Talk to people experiencing it. Understand it deeply. Then and only then invite AI to help you brainstorm solutions. Use it to research faster, prototype ideas, or connect with others working on similar challenges. But remember, you are the director of this project. AI is your incredibly talented crew, only serves real people. Start small, start local, but start now. Because the world doesn't need another person waiting for the right time to begin. The world needs problem solvers, dream chasers, and barrier breakers. And that's exactly what you can become. Dare to dream what no one has. If you love physics, nothing can stop you from studying PhD level physics today, right here in a quiet corner of Jodhpur. You are no longer limited by your surroundings. The only limit is your imagination. Think about it. What is the most complex language model ever built? ChatGPT? Claude? Grok? No. It's the human brain. And here's the twist. I said language model, not large language model. And unlike machines, our brain does not only learn from data, but also from experiences, imagination, and dreams. Every AI system is trained on human thoughts. It imitates us. It does not surpass our originality. The greatest thing AI has done is not solving problems, whereas it has crushed the barriers to bringing new ideas to life. It has truly democratized innovation. But here's the warning. Don't let the AI do the thinking for you. Let it do the heavy lifting with you. Because if you stop questioning, stop imagining, stop checking, then you are not the master of the tool anymore. The tool is quietly writing your story for you. AI can generate answers, but only you can generate meaning. And meaning is what sets you apart. Now, more than ever, what truly matters is originality of thought. Dreaming bigger than what's obvious. Because for everything else, the repetitive, the mechanical, there is AI. AI can help you code, design, analyze, but it cannot imagine your dream. It cannot feel your passion. That part is yours alone. And when you bring your vision and your drive, AI doesn't replace you, it magnifies you. And if one day AI ever does start dreaming, well, I hope it dreams of doing our laundry and our dishes first. That, my friends, is what I mean by rethinking success in the age of AI. You are not just the first generation to grow up with AI. You are the generation that will define how humanity and AI evolve together. That's not a burden. That's your superpower. That's all I had today. Thanks for all your love and support.